Happy birthday, dear Anna. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
She's like, what is all this paparazzi?
Yeah, this is a big.
Hey guys, hey Claire, come on. They want to so Anna can with her. So Anna can do her cake by herself, okay?
Oh, good job.
Oh, excuse me, William.
Yeah, we should know what she's going to do.
That's good stuff, isn't it? She's like, what is everybody watching me? Thank you. Hey, Katie, come here. Let me see your mini baby.
Anna cares what want to say on it.
I see.
Either smush it,
It's a caterpillar.
they smush it and eat it.
Yeah.
Grab it, and then eat it. Grab it, and then eat it.
You tell her, Ella.
Yes, like grab it, then eat it. Grab it, eat it. Grab it, eat it. Grab it, eat it.
Do you have a taste?
Was it good?
Was it good? I take them out in food.
She's doing a great job. Whoa. Now she's getting some.
You got three.
William, come back here.
You're in the film.
Come here. You're in the way of the picture.
Oh.
Yeah. She's the baby. She's the only baby that I've seen eat it instead of smush it. I mean, she's actually eating it and she's not smushing it.
She's going to eat the whole thing. She's a very hungry caterpillar.
Yes, she's already up. And a very for cake. My turn. My turn.
Anna.
Oh, is it?
Anna. There you go.
Yum, yum. Yum, yum.
I said that earlier. Like a biplane. I like something.
Owen's turn. Owen's turn.
No, I would eat it.
Owen's turn.
Let Owen.
Owen's turn. Let Owen go and you guys rotate.
Let Owen do it.
Yep, he's crushed. That's fine.
There we go.
Ooh, that's a
Okay, in a minute. We're going to have cake in a minute.
Is that good? That's very good.
Look at her.
That's good.
That was you. Are you getting right in the middle of it? Are you getting right in the middle of it?
Never had so much fun, did you? Best part of the party.
I think he was like grabbing it on top of my head.
Oh, here she goes. A great big bite. That was a great big bite.
You are the very hungry cat. No wonder that's your theme.
You are it up for